Question 5, Alison McKinnon.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. To ask the Scottish Executive what assessment it has made of the financial impact on small businesses of roadworks.
Stuart Stevenson.
While the Scottish Government is very aware of the risk of financial impact of roadworks on small businesses and seeks, in collaboration with them, to minimise the impact, no formal assessment has been carried out.
Mr McKinnon.
Thank the Minister for that response. Darren Williams of Keith Tyre and Autocare estimates that recent roadworks have resulted in a £23,000 loss of income. Mr Williams has said that his business could not have withstood this loss of earnings had the works been undertaken in the first 2 or 3 years of trading. Will the Scottish Government investigate the possibility of compensating small businesses seriously affected by roadworks, which may already be feeling the pinch of the economic downturn?
Minister.
I am aware, Presiding Officer, of the case to which the member refers, as the local member has discussed that with me. We have sought to work with the business in question to minimise the effects on that business and some other businesses in Keith. Unfortunately, there were substantial difficulties encountered when the road was lifted in services whose nature was not understood and known at the time. I believe that the difficulties are now very largely resolved, and we will learn any lessons that it's appropriate to learn from that particular business's experience.